Hi y'all, Ree the Brat here. I have a WWF, now WWE, Stone Cold Steve Austin talking doorbell. You can see the picture kind of moves there. And it has different phrases that you can say. You just gotta push the button and then push the front button. Just a ring bell. Okay, let's do another one here.
You don't order Stone Cold around. You don't order Stone Cold around.
Okay, I'll push another one.
Speak up, son. Cat got your tongue?
Okay. Let me pick another one here.
You can't come in until Stone Cold says so.
That's a perfect doorbell one, I think.
Don't trust anybody.
Well, that's pretty skeptical.
And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.
Well, there you go. Just a quick video to show you this Stone Cold Steve Austin talking doorbell. And I guess that's it.
And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.